In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Beehiiv account in this comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you've decided to move on from the platform or simply wish to close your account, this video will walk you through the entire process with ease and precision. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Beehiiv account. Head over to their website and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. If you've forgotten your password or have any trouble logging in, make sure to use the forgot password feature or reach out to Beehiiv support for assistance. Once you're in, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings section. You can find this conveniently located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it to open up a range of options that will help you manage your account settings effectively. It's crucial to ensure that you're looking in the right place, as the interface can occasionally update, but generally it should be in that corner. After you've clicked into settings, look for workspace settings. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Overview. Clicking on this will bring you into a summary page that holds key information related to your account and its settings. This is where you actually begin the process of deletion, so it's important to double check that you're in the right place. As you scroll down through the Overview section, keep an eye out for the Delete Workspace button. It might be tempting to rush through this part, but take a little time to read any accompanying text or warnings, since this is a significant action. Account deletions are usually permanent, meaning once you proceed, you can't simply recover the data later on. So make sure it's what you truly want. After you've found the Delete Workspace button and are ready to proceed, go ahead and give it a click. A confirmation pop-up window will appear. This serves as your final checkpoint before permanently deleting your account. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and click the delete button on this confirmation pop-up. And that's it, your Beehiiv account should now be successfully deleted. If for any reason you want to triple check it's all gone, try logging in again or contact their support to confirm the deletion. This process is straightforward, but if you run into any issues or don't see certain options, consider checking your app for updates or contacting Beehiiv's customer support. Thanks for watching and good luck with your future endeavours, whatever they may be. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.